how to use Google Veo 2. Google Veo 2 is an advanced AI-driven video generation tool that transforms text prompts into high-quality videos. It's designed for creators, marketers, and businesses aiming to produce engaging visual content efficiently. Now, the key features of Veo 2 is the enhanced realism. It generates videos with improved details and reduced artifacts. You also have the advanced motion capabilities. It accurately simulates real-world physics and complex movements. And lastly, we have the key features of camera control options. It offers precise control over shot style, angles, and movements. Basically, to get started with Google Veo right here, all you have to do is to navigate through their website. Now, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, you can just go ahead and search for Google Veo 2 inside your Google search tab right here or inside the Google search engine. Once inside, you want to navigate through the website called deepmind.com/technologies/Veo/Veo-2. From there, it will then go ahead and take us to this website. And now, right after heading over to their website, we have the overview of Veo 2 right here. We have some sample videos that we can go ahead and take a look at in order to go ahead and visualize what we can expect from the tool itself. To get started, you can go ahead and click on the sign up to try Video FX. Or if you scroll down, you can then go ahead and navigate through all of the features right here. You have your capabilities. Now for the prompt, it's an extreme close-up of shot focuses on the face of a female DJ. This is the result right here. As you can go ahead and see that it really produces a realistic AI videos right here. If you scroll down further, we can now go ahead and navigate through the benchmark. From here, we have something like the Meta Movie Jam, Kling V1.5, Minimax, and Sora Turbo. We can then go ahead and see their performance right here. And if you scroll down further, you now have your limitation. While Veo 2 demonstrates incredible progress, creating realistic, dynamic, or integrate videos and maintaining complete consistency throughout complex scenes or those with complex motion remains a challenge. They will go ahead and continue to develop and refine performance in this area. And so we have these examples right here. And so, now that you have an idea on what you can expect from Google Veo 2, let's now go ahead and sign up for an account. So, once again, click on sign up to try Video FX. Right after, it will then take us to this page where we have to click on sign in with Google. Of course, you need to have your own Google account to access this feature right here. So you can just go ahead and click on sign in. If you don't have a Google account, you can just go ahead and create one by clicking create account. In my case, since I already have one, I'll just go ahead and click on one of my accounts right here. Wait for this page to load in. And right after, it will then ask us these questions. Experience and shape AI tools for creativity. In here, you can just go ahead and check if you want to receive marketing emails, or you can just go ahead and check if you want to receive research invitations. If you don't want to go ahead and answer these questions, you can just go ahead and click on sign out. But if you want to proceed, click on next. From here, you have your privacy policy. You can just go ahead and scroll down, and at the bottom of the page, the next button will be able to go ahead and access. So you can just go ahead and click on it, and once again, click on agree and continue. Right after that, it will then go ahead and ask you to basically join the waitlist. So you can just go ahead and click on join the waitlist right here. Because as of the moment, Video FX is not available for public use. So you can just go ahead and click on join the waitlist. From there, it will then go ahead and ask you these questions. We have the Google Lab Early Access Waitlist. Now, about the program, Google Labs is a place to play and experiment at the intersection of creativity and AI. We're committed to building AI in partnership with creators and artists to better understand how these generative tools can help people express themselves, whether creating text, music, images, and now videos. You can go ahead and join their waitlist and help them shape the future with AI powered creativity. As of December 16, 2024, the product in their early access program includes the video effects with access to our tutorial right here, which is Veo 2, the latest video generation model. Video effects is limited to users age 18 plus based in the US. From here, you have your first name, so you can just go ahead and insert your first name right here. You have your last name, you have your email. This is really important because this is the email that you want to use in order to access Veo 2. Right after, you have which country are you located. Note, the drop-down only includes countries where image effects and music effects are publicly available. So you can just go ahead and click on it. And once inside, you can then go ahead and select your country. Now, if you cannot go ahead and see your country right here, it means that this specific Veo 2 feature is not available on your country, so you can just go ahead and wait for further announcement. From here, we have are you over the age of 18 plus, so you can just go ahead and click on next. You have your link to relative work, portfolio, website, socials, or anything else. You have how did you hear about us. You can just go ahead and check what type of answer you want to go ahead and input. And lastly, it will then go ahead and ask you to receive occasional updates from the labs, including information related to labs program and opportunities. You may opt out at any time. So you can just go ahead and select yes if you want those updates and no if you don't want to receive any notification. Right after, you can just go ahead and click on submit. Note, if you wish to be removed from the waitlist, you have your information deleted from this submission. You can reach out to one of their lab trusted testers, admin@google.com. Now, you can go ahead and do this in order to delete yourself from the waitlist. And so guys, in no time, video effects or Veo AI will be available for the public. So as of the moment, the only way that we can go ahead and access Veo 2 is through the waitlist. So in here, you have features like your image effects, Music FX DJ, Music FX, Whisk, and finally your own library. And so guys, that's how you can go ahead and access or use Google Veo 2. As of the moment, it is not available for public. You can only go ahead and access this You can go ahead and only access this on beta. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.